Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Portfolio Management Framework for low turnover investing. To begin with, low turnover dividend investing is a simple and disciplined approach focused on building long-term income and wealth. Instead of buying and selling frequently, the main idea is to own quality dividend-paying investments, hold them patiently, and allow income, growth, and compounding to work over time. First, start by defining your goals and income needs. You should clarify how much dividend income you want, whether monthly or annually. Then, set your time horizon and risk tolerance. This helps you understand what type of portfolio may fit your financial situation. In simple terms, your goal drives your strategy. Next, build a quality dividend foundation. This means focusing on companies with strong balance sheets, consistent dividend payments, and a history of growth. It is also helpful to look for businesses with competitive advantages, because strong companies are more likely to support stable dividends over the long term. After that, diversify for stability. Instead of depending on only one stock or one sector, spread your investments across different industries and asset classes. This can help reduce risk and protect your dividend income if one company or sector faces difficulties. In this way, diversification supports a more balanced portfolio. Furthermore, focus on income and dividend growth. A good dividend strategy is not only about today's yield, but also about future income growth. Sustainable dividend yields, growing payouts, and reinvested dividends can help your portfolio compound over time. As a result, your income may gradually become stronger. Then, buy and hold with discipline. Low turnover investing means taking long-term positions in quality companies and avoiding frequent trading or emotional market timing. Instead of reacting to every price movement, allow compounding to do the heavy lifting. This can also reduce costs, taxes, and unnecessary stress. At the same time, it is still important to monitor and review the portfolio periodically. You do not need to check prices every day, but reviewing your portfolio once or twice a year can help you confirm that the fundamentals remain strong. The goal is to review, not react. Next, trim and rebalance only when needed. If one position becomes too large, or your portfolio moves away from your target allocation, you may rebalance carefully. You can also raise cash for better opportunities, but the purpose is to stay balanced and focused, not to trade constantly. In addition, manage risk and protect your portfolio. Keep adequate cash reserves, diversify your income sources, and prepare for market downturns. A strong dividend portfolio should be built not only for growth, but also for resilience during uncertain times. Overall, the core principles are simple. Keep a long-term mindset, focus on quality over quantity, maintain low turnover, and use the power of compounding. Lower turnover can mean fewer fees, fewer taxes, better compounding, less stress, and potentially stronger long-term results. Therefore, the key takeaway is that a low-turnover dividend strategy built on quality, discipline, and patience can create a reliable income stream and lasting wealth. Low turnover is not about doing nothing. Instead, it is about doing the right things consistently. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Investments involve risk, and results may vary. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before investing. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.